131 North, heading up towards Steamboat. See what the road has in store here. Never been up this road before. Should be interesting to watch it change as we get closer to Steamboat. Clearly on the arid side of the Continental Divide right now. Look at all the float fishing down here. Holy cow. Colorado River. I have to look at a map because I didn't realize the Colorado came back up this far north. I know it was paralleling Highway 70. Wasn't sure where it went after that, I guess, but getting into a little more aspens up here now. It's crazy. One side of the road, it's dry sagebrush. I just hit that little dead critter. And the other side's aspen grove. Definitely get into some aspens and we get up a little higher. You get down low again and we're back into the arid dry country. And not much out here, and then you come up on this pretty cool looking rock in the middle of nowhere and you wonder how and why. Finger Rock, it says. Another nice rock formation out here in the middle of nowhere. About 15 miles from Steamboat now. Working our way into town, grab a little lunch, kind of figure out a loop to go ride this afternoon, I think. The ski slopes over there, I don't know if that's technically Steamboat or a different ski hill. We figure out as we get closer. We pick up Highway 40 here in another 5 miles and work our way down into Steamboat.